Hello Clark, this is Dick down at Prime Motor Cars. I want to send you a little video on the wagon that we spoke about yesterday, catch you up to date on it. It's a beautiful car, it's great condition. It's got some really nice features about it, which I'll go over with you. And it's a fabulous price. As you'll see, it has the AMG wheels on it, which are very, very handsome wheels. And in the outside mirrors, you'll see the little spot. It's about the blind spot assist. Has all the sensors built in for your backup and your front cameras. Even has a little hitch if you have any bike racks or anything that you need to put on. Comes with a cargo mat. Winter mats are inside the car. And of course, you're probably aware, these are all 3-seat wagons. Has the luggage racks, crossbars on top. Panoramic sunroof, which is really nice. So I'd like to thank you for your inquiry, and I hope that this helps you, and please call if you have any questions. Thank you, Clark. You take care.